Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing my pumpkin pie crumble cake recipe with you. These are the ingredients that you'll need, and as always you can find the exact measurements in the description box below. In this bowl, I have 1 box of yellow cake mix minus half a cup, and I'm going to be adding melted butter and 1 egg and mixing this together until we create our base. We're going to grease our baking dish and we're going to press down our base evenly. Next, I'm going to be adding 2 eggs to 1 can of pure pumpkin and 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and mix this together before adding some vanilla extract, brown sugar, and our spices. Our spices include pumpkin spice, cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. Next, we'll be adding our filling over our base, and you just want to make sure you spread this out evenly. For our crumble topping, we're using the half cup of yellow cake mix we reserved, butter, all-purpose flour, brown sugar, and the nuts of your choice. Once the butter has been incorporated, we're going to be topping our cake with this mixture before putting it in the oven to bake. Once your cake is out of the oven, you want to wait 10 minutes before serving. You can serve this with vanilla ice cream if you like, or just eat it plain. I'm sure you'll enjoy it either way. I hope you give this recipe a try, and I'll see you next time.